Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I would like to color my hair. Recently I've colored my hair. So I color my hair every in 3 months, like 4 times a year. So I thought of sharing with you guys how I would like to color my hair. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. So let's get started with the video. So this is my hair looks after 3 months of hair color. Mostly I would like to color my hair with mahogany color or burgundy. This time I'm using this black cherry from the L'Oreal Paris casting cream gloss. It's a color conditioning color with no ammonia. So first I'm going to take the Vaseline. Before that, I remember I have to remove my jewelries. I don't like to wear jewelries while coloring my hair. This is going to stain my golden jewelry. So now I'm taking the Vaseline and apply it on the places where I don't want the color to stain my skin, like near my face, near my ears, near my neck area and all. So I don't want to look like this portions are stained, so I make sure to apply some Vaseline. After that I take sprinkle some water in my hair, little bit of water. You don't have to make it wet, you just have to sprinkle a little bit of water so that it is like it's mentioned in the instructions. Now I'm going to take out this box. So this is the one bottle. You'll have this kind of white bottle and this is the color, and next you have the conditioner which you'll need after coloring your hair. So this one has the instructions, so I prefer to mention, read the instructions every time before coloring my hair. Now I'm wearing the gloves, and yeah, so that it doesn't stain my hands. And now taking the color, this has the color in it. I'm going to open it with the cap of the tube and then pour the full color in this white bottle. See, I'm trying hard. And then mix very well, mixing mix now next I'm going to see, like, if it is mixed properly. If you can see the white liquid and the color has been mixed very nicely. If it has not yet mixed yet, again you mix. Now take a towel and cover your shoulders, and so that you don't stain your shoulder again. You are going to stain the towel only, no staining of your shoulders. And then I'm going to cut it the mouth, tip of the bottle, and I'm going to slowly start adding color. So I'm going to first add color in my hair using that small portion. And yeah, you can see I am applying generously and making sure it does not stain my face or any places. And then slowly I'm going to apply it on my both portions of my hair. I'm going to divide it into 2 portions, and then at the end I'll open the cap and generously apply it on all over my head. And then I'm going to make a bun and use a clutch. Now I'm going to wait for 20 minutes for it to dry. You can wait for 25 minutes also. And then I'm going to wash my hair using this and apply this conditioner. Remember, before, while washing your hair, you should not use any kind of shampoo. You just going to wash your hair with plain water, and after washing you are going to apply the conditioner and keep it for 5 minutes. So this is my final hair looks. It become a little bit of reddish. It looks more beautiful in sun, so I could not capture it in sun, but when you go under the sun it looks more reddish, more shiny, and beautiful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.